Hey everyone, welcome back! In this tutorial, I'm going to walk you through how to delete your Shopify store. Before we start, keep in mind that this process is permanent. Once you delete your store, all your products, customer information, and settings will be gone for good. So, make sure you back up everything first. To begin, log in to your Shopify account using your usual username and password. Once you're inside your dashboard, it's a good idea to export your product data, orders, and customer lists so you have a copy saved before you close the store. Next, go to the bottom left corner of your admin page and click on Settings. From there, select Plan and Permissions. This is where you'll find your store's billing and subscription settings. Take a quick moment to review your plan details and make sure you're ready to go ahead. Scroll down until you see the billing section. There, you'll find an option that says either Cancel Subscription or Deactivate Store. Click that to begin the deletion process. Shopify will then show you a message explaining what will happen when your store is deleted. It'll remind you that all your data, including products, customers, and settings will be permanently erased. And your customers won't be able to access your store anymore if you plan to move to another platform later. This is your last chance to export your data and download your theme files. When you're ready, click Deactivate Store. Shopify will ask you to choose a reason for closing your store, and then it'll prompt you to enter your account password. Once you confirm, click Deactivate Now. After that, your store will officially be deleted. You'll also receive a confirmation email from Shopify, letting you know your store has been deactivated. It's a good idea to keep that email for your records. In some cases, Shopify gives you a short grace period, usually around 30 days, where you can log back in and reactivate your plan if you change your mind. But once that period ends, all your data is gone permanently. And that's it. You've successfully deleted your Shopify store. Your billing stops automatically, and your account will no longer be active. Thanks for watching. And if you found this helpful, don't forget to check out the other tutorials for more clear and simple Shopify walkthroughs.